Join me as I dive into the world of purchase lease options and challenge myself to uncover just how powerful they can be for both sellers and buyers. Purchase lease options, are also known as lease options or rent to own, are a game changer in the property world. They offer a unique solution for both sellers and buyers, providing benefits that traditional real estate transactions often can't match. Traditional property transactions can be tough for everyone involved. Sellers often struggle to find buyers who can secure financing, and buyers may face hurdles in getting approval for a mortgage and so on. Market volatility doesn't help either, making it difficult for sellers to get a fair price for their property owing to market cycles, and for buyers to make a confident offer. Financing issues are a major pain point. Many buyers struggle to get pre-approved for a mortgage, or they may have credit issues that make it hard to secure a loan. This can lead to deals falling through, leaving sellers frustrated and back at square one. Market volatility is another challenge. When the market is unpredictable, sellers may be hesitant to list their property, fearing they won't get a good price. Buyers may also be cautious, worried that prices will drop after they make an offer. Even when buyers and sellers find each other, the process can be lengthy and stressful. Inspections, appraisals, closing costs that can add up. Legal costs, you just don't know what these are going to be, making it a costly and time-consuming process for both parties. So how do purchase lease options work? Essentially, a buyer pays a fee to secure the right to purchase a property at a later date. During this time, they pay rent to the seller, and a portion of that rent may be applied to the down payment if they decide to buy. For sellers, purchase lease options offer a consistent cash flow and less hassle. They receive rental income while the buyer works on securing financing, and they avoid the risk of the deal falling through. Buyers benefit from easier access to properties and the potential to purchase later. They get to test the neighbourhood and the property before committing to buy, and they have time to work on their credit and secure financing. This arrangement can be a win-win for both parties. Sellers get a steady income stream and a potential buyer, while buyers get a chance to live in the property and potentially own it in the future and get cash flow from it. One powerful success story comes to mind is that of a seller who is struggling to find a buyer for his property. Not unusual. He had listed it for months, but with no luck. After partnering with the buyer through a purchase lease option, the buyer moved in and started paying rent. A year later, the buyer exercised the option and purchased the property. The seller was thrilled to have finally sold his property, and the buyer was happy to have secured a great deal. This story highlights the potential of purchase lease options to benefit both parties. Another example is a buyer who couldn't qualify for a mortgage due to credit issues. Through a purchase lease option, she was able to move into her dream home and work on her credit. A year later, she was able to secure a mortgage and purchase the property. So it's another example where in today's market, purchase lease options are more significant than ever. They offer a flexible solution for buyers and sellers, providing benefits that traditional transactions often can't match. If you've had experience with purchase lease options, share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking for more property tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos. If you like this video and would like to comment on it or any of the other videos in the channel, please do so in the box below this video. If you want to discuss anything about the video with me, that's Alan at Alpus Group. My number is 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257, or 0333 224 From outside the UK, that's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.